Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can reset your trip counter on your Citroen C3. This is a 2021 model. For example, you might be going on a journey and you want to know how many miles you're going to cover on that journey. There's two ways of doing it. On the wiper stalk here, there's a little button at the end here, and we can press it in like so. And every time we press it in, can you see it's scrolling through different things up here? And if we keep scrolling through, eventually you will get to trip. So you will see that this one here is the trip. Right now, 278.8 miles have been done. So all we have to do is hold this button in here for 2 seconds and it will reset it. Or we can use this thumb wheel here, and every time we move this up and down, it will also scroll through those same features as hitting this button here. So right now I'm scrolling through and it's changing up on screen. So if I zoom in here, you can see when I'm moving it around here, that's going up, and then when I go down it goes through there. So go to trip here, and the same thing, all we have to do is hold this button in. So right now I'm going to hold the button in for 2 seconds and it's going to reset. So now if we zoom in, you can see that it's been reset. So that's it. That's how to reset your trip counter. Or the same thing again on this one here, you would just hold this button in here for 2 seconds like so, and it would also reset as well. Actually, there is a third way to reset it as well, but you probably will just use the other two. But if you have a look, we have a little set button just here. So again, if you were to hold that down for 2 seconds, it will also reset the trip computer. So that is it, 3 different ways. Thanks for watching.